2003. A vision was born. For over 21 years, Fjbiomedica has stood at the crossroads of innovation and sustainability. We saw a future where access to life-saving technology wouldn't come at the cost of our planet. The traditional medical equipment industry leaves a heavy footprint. Every new machine, a burden on our Earth. At Fjbiomedica, we offer a different path. We breathe new life into used equipment, extending its purpose and reducing waste. Over 10,000 pieces of medical equipment have passed through our hands. Each one, a story of second chances, not just for the machines, but for the lives they touch. We are more than just a company. We are a team dedicated to a cause. We believe in the power of second chances, in the resilience of the human spirit, and in the responsibility we have towards our planet. With every piece we restore, we create a ripple effect. A ripple of healing, a ripple of sustainability, and a ripple of hope. Fjbiomedica, where innovation meets responsibility. Where healing meets sustainability. Together, let's write the next chapter of healthcare. For our planet and for generations to come.